Hello, for the second problem for week 6A, I chose question number 3, and it states, for the example of refraction illustrated in the drawing, theta 1 equals 58 degrees and theta 2 equals 72 degrees. Calculate the ratio n1 divided by n2 of the indices of refraction of the two materials. So for this, I had used Snell's law, and we'll start off with Snell's law as n1 times sine theta 1 equals n2 times sine theta 2. So n is the index of refraction, and this is the measure of how much light slows down when it enters a material. And SI units for this is unitless. And then right here I have what, my finger's blurring it, but n1 would be the first material, and then n2 is just the second material. And in this case, it doesn't tell us what the materials are, but it's just letting us know that there is a change from material 1 to material 2. And so, and then down here I explain what sine is. Sine is the ratio of opposite divided by hypotenuse so this is solved only with a right triangle. And the SI units for this is it's unitless. The theta is the measure of an angle, and this SI units are in degrees. So here we have the light coming down from the first material at 58 degrees, and then it's when it passes through and into the second material, it is 71 degrees. That is the angle the light is going. So this problem wanted us to calculate the ratio of n1 over n2. So in order to do this, I had to bring n2 under n1. So I divided n2 on both sides. That cancels out to get n1 over n2. But then we also have to get rid of the sine theta 1. So we divide sine theta 2 by sine theta 1. So that is why when we calculate it, it's now n1 over n2. This ratio equals sine theta 2 over sine theta 1, which is kind of confusing because you'd think it'd be opposite, but that's how it works since we had to simplify this equation. So then we just fill in the angles that we have. So sine theta 2 would be of our second material, so that would be sine 71 degrees, and then divided by sine 58 degrees, which was our starting material angle. And sine 71 is 0.95, and then sine 58 is 0.84. So we divide those two and we get 1.11. And then there's no units for this because we are working with n, which is the index of refraction, which we said earlier was unitless.